What's up, guys? Welcome to the Latrobe shop. It's Wednesday, so we're going to show you what's in the shop. We want to wish you a Merry Christmas. We won't see you before Christmas again. Over here, we've got a CT4V Blackwing. This is a factory color. I don't think I've ever seen this on a Cadillac. Looks really cool. This one's getting paint protection film on the front end as well as a ceramic coating. The PPF is done. We're on to coating it. Check out this interior. It's gorgeous. The whole back of the seat's even Alcantara. Look at that. And in the wash bay is a Subaru WRX. We previously did some paint protection film on this car and a ceramic coating. It's back for its annual inspection, and we had to replace a couple pieces of film. Something must have happened to the car at some point. There was no film on those areas anymore. And two beautiful SUVs here, G63 G-Wagon. I think this is the third one we've done in the last month or so. Another full wrap. This one's getting Stealth on top of the factory Magno finish paint. I say this all the time, if you have a satin finish paint from factory, you should wrap the entire thing. It's almost impossible to take care of this paint. It is impossible to fix anything. You can't polish anything. Get it protected before it's too late. On the lift is a Cayenne S Platinum Edition. This is brand new, just trailered to us from the Atlanta Porsche Experience. Our customer did the Atlanta delivery, and we did window tint on this. We're doing a full wrap in 10 mil. In fact, that wrap is almost done except for the roof at this point, and it's getting ceramic coated as well. So invisible protection, 10 mil thick. This is as good as you can get. Outside, we've got an AMG. This one was here for a quick cleanup, and a Kia Seltos for window tint. Our loaner's here. We are the only shop in the area that offers you a free vehicle to drive while we're working on yours. And we have a Mercedes that's vinyl wrapped. We did not do this wrap originally, but it needs removed. So that's why it's here. And this Frontier just got a bug shield installed from WeatherTech. Window tint on this Ram. The F250 Tremor Platinum Edition was here for an annual inspection. I don't think they started on that one yet, but it got paint protection and a ceramic coating previously. And then this Cadillac SUV is here for PPF. It's from a dealership. I think it was the bumper only. This Ford Fusion got window tint this morning. It's ready to go home. M5 Competition. Beautiful car. You guys might remember this from a few months ago. We did a full paint protection wrap on it and a ceramic coating. This is for our good friend Billy. Awesome customer, awesome guy, beautiful car. This is here for a cleanup, just a quick detail package basically. So it's almost ready to go home. And up front we have two more SUVs. It's like the week of SUVs here. SRT Durango. We did some stripes on this as well as a ceramic coating and I think window tint. And this is my favorite car of the week, at least at the Latrobe store. There's a cool one at Miami too, so hopefully we get to check in there. This is a Macan paint to sample in olive green, and I just freaking love it so much. So it's got windows tinted yesterday. We're doing 10 mil paint protection film on this one and a ceramic coating. So hopefully in the next few days, this one's going home to our friend Nick. This is like the 5th car I think we've done for Nick. So we appreciate the business. We love the car. Let's see what's happening in Pittsburgh.
What's up, guys? It's Wednesday, so let's take a tour through our Gibsonia shop. Outside, we have a brand new 2023 Honda Civic Type R. One thing on this vehicle you're going to notice is the white plastic on the bottom door sill, along with plastic on the top of the vehicle sill here from transportation. We'll be taking this off. So this is one of our good customer Robbie's vehicles, and Robbie has sent us 6 vehicles, 4 of which being full wraps. So he knows that the best approach when getting a full wrap is to pick it up, leave the plastic on it, don't wash it, and bring it right to us so we can do the initial wash and all of our prep work here in-house. This is in for a full wrap along with a Fusion Plus ceramic coating. The R1S project is almost complete. We have the window tint done on the 2 front windows. The full wrap is complete. The ceramic coating is done. All that is left is just the light smoke taillight tint on the back of the vehicle. Once that tint arrives off the UPS truck, we'll slap it on and she's ready to go home. One of our coatings of the week is this 2020 GMC Savannah van. This is a 4x4 Quigley. It's a really unique vehicle. The interior is all done up with some TVs and whatnot. And Mark is currently cleaning up the wheel well. We're ceramic coating the entire vehicle, including all of the paint, the wheels, and the glass. In the tint bay, we have Brandon working on this 2021 Subaru Forester. This is getting the 2 front windows done to match the factory tinted back windows, along with a sunroof done, also in 20%. That way the entire vehicle is uniform. Here we got Austin and Ian doing the finishing touches on this 2023 GMC Yukon AT4. This got some vinyl work done. You can see right by Austin's arm there, the A-pillars, the top of the doors, Basically made it look like a Range Rover. So the bottom half of the vehicle is white and the top is black. We also tinted the taillights in a dark smoke luxe taillight tint. Here we have Steve touching up this 2022 Tesla Model Y. This got our track package in our Ultimate Plus paint protection film. Just finishing up the heating of the edges there, and it's gonna be back on the road within the next hour. Up on the lift, we have our 2021 BMW X7. This also got a track package yesterday. Once the vehicle gets cleaned up and re-prepped, sealing over the mark for a full correction in ceramic coating. Little shop update in the showroom here. We did reorganize the entire thing. We have the C8 still on the platform, but now we have many more vehicles on display here. Lots of cool cars all displaying our work. If you want to check it out, stop by the Gibsonia shop. We'll see you guys back here next week.
What's going on, everybody? It is finally Wednesday, so let's see what we have going on down here at the Miami location this week.
All right, so over here in the tint area, we have Alfredo doing the prepping, or I should say shrinking, the windshield of this Porsche Cayenne GTS. You guys might remember this vehicle was in a few months ago. We did a full paint correction, ceramic coating, and XR Plus tint job over the whole thing. The customer was actually driving at home a couple days after we did the work and got a giant chip in the windshield. So this is a brand new windshield, so we're obviously re-tinting it. And then he decided to remove the 5% that we did on the front windows and redo it with the XR Plus 20. So we redid that as well. All right, and then over here, this is a 2023 BMW iX. This was actually just in for the XPEL Fusion Plus ceramic coating. So we basically did a full decon on it and did a full one-step polish over the vehicle, and then applied the Fusion coating onto the paint, glass, plastics, trim, and then the wheels. We actually took these wheels off the car, did a deep cleaning on them, and coated the face barrel, the back of the spokes, and the calipers with those as well. This thing looks incredible inside, and it'll be going home later today. All right, this has been our other project we're working on this week. This is a 2023 Aston Martin Vantage F1 edition, and this one is actually finished in racing green, and it's actually a matte color from the factory, which is really cool. So we're doing a full XPEL stealth wrap on this to keep that paint protected, and then obviously all of the gloss black areas are also getting the XPEL Ultimate on those, just to make sure those stay protected as well. Remove the badge on the front here, that way we could wrap the PPF under it, and then we're going to reinstall it once we're all done. Did the full hood in one piece with a 72-inch roll, and then we did all these separate carbon fiber pieces with the Ultimate Plus film. And this is also going to be getting the XR Plus 20% the whole way around, as well as 70% on the windshield.
All right, and that's all that we have going on here at the Miami location this week. All of us here want to wish you a Merry Christmas, and we will see you next week with the What's in the Shop Wednesdays. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our videos, and let us know what you think about these cool cars in here.